Namaste children, welcome to Radio. In today's video we will learn chapter number 9, Utsav from your mathematics textbook Joyful. So children, look at this beautiful picture. The title says Utsav. Do you know what Utsav means? Yes, Utsav means festival, a time of joy, celebration and happiness. This picture shows the festival of Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is a harvest festival. It is celebrated when the sun moves into a new position in the sky. Look at the bright sun in the picture. People thank the sun for giving us light and warmth. See the colorful flights. On this day, children and adults fly kites in the sky. The sky looks full of bright and beautiful kites. Now look at the sweets and fruits. People prepare special sweets like laddus made of sesame seeds and jaggery. They also share fruits and food with family and friends. Did you see the children dancing happily? Yes, there is music, dhol and lots of fun. Everyone wears traditional clothes and celebrates together. Makar Sankranti teaches us to be thankful for nature and farmers. It teaches to share and spread happiness. Festivals make happy and bring families together. So the festival Makar Sankranti is known in different names in different states of India. In Gujarat it is called Uttarayan, Punjab Lohri, Tamil Nadu it is called Pongal, in Assam it is called Magh Bihu, West Bengal Paus Sankranti, Maharashtra it's called Makar Sankranti. We celebrate the harvest festival. During this time, farmers thank the sun god for good crops. It marks the day when the sun starts moving towards the north. It also tells us the winter is ending and long, warmer days are coming. So how it is being celebrated? Yes, in Gujarat people fly colorful kites in the sky. In Punjab, families sit around bonfire, sing songs and eat popcorn and peanuts. In Tamil Nadu, people cook sweet pongal and thank nature. In Assam, people enjoy traditional food and light bonfires. In Maharashtra, people share sweets made of till, that is sesame seeds and jaggery. Look at the top of the page. It says extend the patterns by drawing further. That means we must look carefully at the pictures and continue the same order. So first one, A. Look at the first row. These are pictures repeating in a pattern. See carefully. One picture, it looks like a stone, then the see another something like a stick. It repeats again. Now we must draw the next pictures in the same order. Stone, stick, like that. Look at the second row now. There are flowers and leaves hanging in a line. Flowers, first one here, leaves, then a flower, then again two leaves, then a flower. So continue drawing the same pattern. See, we can see diyas and candles. Diya, first one is a diya, second is a candle. Again a diya, a candle. It repeats again and again. So draw the next correct picture. So what will come next? Yes, it will be a diya. Then D, look at the decorations in a row. Star, First you can see 2 stars, then a beads, a string of beads, then again 2 stars, a string of beads. So follow the same order and complete it. Next one, some colorful flags. Different colors like red and blue are repeating in a pattern. Watch carefully and draw the next color in order. So what will come next after blue? It will be a red. So F. In a row, look at the shapes. Here you can see circle, then a rectangle, then again a circle, a rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. This pattern repeats. So repeat the same design and complete. Then G and H, we see some sweets arranged on plates. The sweets are placed in a special repeating order. So find the pattern and continue it around the plate. So children, patterns help us think carefully and observe closely. Patterns are everywhere in clothes, decorations and even in nature. So after completion, this is how it looks. Let us do. Munna is very fond of coloring. He created a pattern by using the impression of his thumb and fingers. You can also create a pattern like this by using your finger print in the given space. So children, you can also create your own pattern using your fingerprints. Dip your finger in color, press it gently on paper and repeat it carefully. Isn't it fun? Yes. Now look at the lovely pictures below. Can you see the cat? Yes. The cow, a birdie, flower and a frog. These pictures are also made using thumb and fingerprints. With a little drawing, fingerprints can turn into animals and flowers. At the bottom, look carefully at the colored thumbprints. There is a pattern in the colors. Could you see that? Yes, pink, then black, pink, black, then again pink. Now, after pink, what color should come? Next? Yes, the black should come next, because the pattern is repeating. Pink, black, pink, black, pink, black. Patterns repeat in the same order again and again. So let us try making our own fingerprints patterns at home or in class. Learning is fun when we create with colors. So what color comes after pink? Yes, it should be black. It's given here. Look at the patterns and extend them by coloring. So next one is look at the patterns and extend them by coloring. Patterns repeat in the same order again and again. Let us look carefully. So the first row, look at the colored circles. Brown, blue, brown, blue, brown. The colors are repeating. So we should continue coloring in the same order. Brown, blue, like that. In the second row, triangle and square. Now look at the shapes. Yellow triangle and green square. Again yellow triangle, green square. Triangle, square. Keep coloring the same pattern. Triangle with yellow color and square with green color. Third row, arrows. Look at the arrows carefully. Up arrow, then a right arrow, then a down arrow. It repeats in the same fashion. Up arrow, right arrow, then a down arrow. So the first one is up arrow is purple in color, right arrow is blue in color and down arrow is black in color. So we have to continue in the same pattern. Fourth row, there is a hexagon, then 2 stars, again one hexagon, 2 stars in pink color. Hexagon is purple in color and pink stars are given in pink color. So follow the same order while coloring. Hexagon, stars, like that. Now let us complete the patterns below. Look at the small boxes. First we see one triangle, then 2 triangles, then 3 triangles. So what comes next? Yes, 4 triangles. After that 5 triangles. Next row, a line, then it becomes a corner, then 3 sides. 3 sides becomes a square. We are slowly building a shape step by step. In the next row, count the shapes carefully. The number is reducing each time. So the first one, you can see 8 triangles, then it became 7, then it became 6, 5, 4, 3. So follow the pattern and complete it. Next one is, look at the boards and trees. In the first picture we can see 2 boards and 2 trees. Next one, boards and trees with 1 triangle less than the previous one. So the number keep on reducing. So in the third one we can see a board with 2 triangles in it. Next one it will be 1, and in the final one there is only board is left. So patterns help our brain grow stronger. Look carefully, think and color neatly. Now let us study the patterns and fill in the missing numbers. The first one is, look at the flags. What are the numbers written on it? 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. So what are these numbers? Yes, these are odd numbers. So after 7, what number will come? Yes, 9. 7, 8, 9. Then which is the next number? 11, 12, 13 is the next odd number. Next one is, see the caterpillar. What are the numbers written on it? 16, 17, then 2 blank spaces, 20, 21, 22. What is this? Here it is counting backwards. So which numbers are missing here? 16, 17, then what numbers will come here? 18, 19. Next one, counting in tens. So 20, 30. What will be the next number? 40. Yes, 40. Then 50 is given here. Next one, 60. Next one is repeated number patterns. 11, 22, 33. So what could be the next number? 44, 55, 66. Next one will be 77. Then look at the picture. Lily. What is there? What is written on those lilies? Leaves. 5, 10. Then there is a blank space. After that 20. So this is counting in fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, then 30. So and finally, what are the numbers given here? 2, 5, 8, 11. So in this it's kept adding 3 each time. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. Great job, children. Keep practicing and enjoy learning numbers. Murthy and Vani are helping their Amma in making kolam or rangoli. You can also help them by completing the below column. So what you have to do, you have to assist Murthy, Vani and their mother by completing the column. So we will do that. Next one is a project work. Collect pebbles, flowers, leaves, glasses, balls, sticks, bangles, coins, caps, etc. and arrange them in a pattern. Create different patterns of jewelry, floral pot arrangements, art, shoe pieces, etc. Otherwise, observe and find the patterns in nature like leaves, butterfly, animal skins, cat, dog, zebra, tiger, curtains, saris, dupattas, tiles, beehives, etc. Collect different objects seen around and make a collage. Then create patterns using different actions like clapping, snapping your fingers, stamping your feet, etc. This is a small project work you can do yourself. So children, today we explored the festival of Makar Sankranti and discovered how it is celebrated across different parts of India with various regional names. We also practiced drawing and extending patterns and had fun creating designs using our thumb and fingers. Along with that, we learned how to recognize patterns and fill in missing numbers in a sequence. Great learning today. Children, keep practicing and have fun.